Hello. Are you also looking for the map?
Yes, actually. I always get lost in this mall. It's huge.
Same here. I come here often, but I still forget where everything is.
At least I'm not the only one. My name is David, by the way.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Emma.
They shake hands politely. So, what are you shopping for today?
Just a few things for my house. Some kitchen items, maybe a new lamp, and probably some clothes. What about you?
I need a pair of shoes, a birthday gift for my nephew, and maybe a coffee because I woke up too early.
Coffee sounds great. Maybe I should get one too.
They both look at the big directory board.
Okay, let's see. Home decor stores are on the second floor. Clothing is everywhere. And the shoe stores are on the first floor.
And the coffee shops? Oh, there's one right there.
Perfect. How about we get some coffee first? Shopping is always better with caffeine.
I agree. Let's go.
Do you know what you're getting?
Probably a cappuccino. I always get the same thing. I'm not very adventurous with coffee.
I like trying new things, but today I think I'll get a simple latte.
Good choice. Lattes are safe. So, do you live near this mall?
Yes, about 10 minutes away. I moved here last year for work. What about you?
I live a little farther away, maybe 25 minutes, but I like this mall more than the one near my house.
Why?
Better shops?
Not really. I think it's cleaner and more comfortable, and the parking is easier.
Oh yes, the parking here is great. I hate malls with crazy parking lots.
Same. Last month I went to another mall and almost got stuck for 30 minutes just trying to leave the parking area.
Wow, that sounds painful.
It really was.
So, what do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to young kids.
Really? That sounds fun.
It is, but it's also a lot of work. Kids have so much energy.
I can imagine. I work in IT, so it's the opposite. Quiet, boring sometimes, and full of computers.
That must be peaceful.
Sometimes, but sometimes I wish I could move around more.
Trade jobs with me for a day.
The kids would eat me alive.
No, they'd like you. You seem friendly.
So, home decor first?
Yes, if you don't mind walking with me.
Wow, look at that huge Christmas tree.
It's beautiful. The decorations are so pretty.
I think they change it every year.
I think so too. Last year it was red and gold. Now it's blue and silver.
They continue walking. Are you buying a lamp?
Yes. My old one stopped working. I tried to fix it, but no luck.
I'm terrible at fixing things. I usually just buy a new one.
Me too. My dad can fix anything, but he lives far away.
You could send him a picture and ask him, what do I do?
I've done that many times.
They both laugh again as they enter the home decor store.
Oh, wow. They have so many lamps.
Yeah, I didn't know choosing a lamp could be this difficult.
Me neither. I like this one, but I also like that one.
Do you want something bright or soft?
Soft. My room is small, and I like calming lights.
Then maybe this white one? It looks simple and elegant.
You're right. I like it. But let me see the price. Oh, not bad.
Good deal.
Emma picks up the lamp and places it in her cart. Thanks.
No problem. I like giving opinions on things I'm not buying.
That's the best type of shopping.
They walk to another section.
I also need a few small kitchen items. Maybe new cups?
I love looking at cups for some reason.
Really?
Yes, I have too many at home. But if I see a cool one, I buy it.
I understand. I have many mugs too.
They look at a wall full of colorful cups.
Look at this one. It says, "Good morning, sunshine."
That's cute. And this one says, "Don't talk to me until I drink my coffee."
That's totally me.
I believe it. Emma picks 2 cups and puts them into her cart. Now it's my turn to shop. Shoes.
What kind of shoes are you looking for?
Something comfortable. I walk a lot for work.
Sneakers?
Yes, probably.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Honestly, not really. I only shop when I have to.
Same, but I love walking around a mall. I just don't like making decisions.
Exactly. It's the decision part that's painful.
We should make a rule. First thing we like, we buy.
Dangerous rule, but maybe helpful. Okay, this is overwhelming.
Don't worry, I'll help you like you help me.
Deal.
What size are you?
Size 10.
Okay, here are some options. These look great, and they go with everything.
Not bad, but I want something a little lighter.
Light color or light weight?
Lightweight.
Oh, try these. They look very comfortable.
Wow, these feel amazing.
Perfect! That's your shoes then.
I think so. That rule really works.
I told you.
How old is your nephew? He is turning 7.
Oh, that's a fun age. Lots of energy.
Yes, he never stops talking.
Sounds like a typical 7-year-old.
Wow, so many colors. My eyes hurt.
Let's find something simple. Maybe a puzzle? Or a small car?
He loves superheroes.
Perfect. There's a whole superhero section over there.
Look, there's a cool action figure.
Oh, he loves this character. I think he'll go crazy when he sees this.
Then that's the one.
Yes. Decision made.
You're getting good at quick decisions. I'm learning from the best. How are you doing on your gift list?
I'm almost done. All I need is a gift for my mom and my brother.
Oh, what are you getting for your mom?
I'm not sure yet, but she loves reading, so maybe a new book.
That's a good idea. My mom loves books too.
And your brother?
He's into music, so I'm thinking headphones or speaker.
That's nice. My brother loves technology too. Maybe a smartwatch?
That's a cool idea. I'll think about that for my brother.
Great. We can help each other with our remaining gifts.
My feet are tired already.
Same. Shopping is like running a marathon.
A very slow marathon with bags. Exactly.
Do you come to the mall alone usually?
Yes, most of the time. My friends are either busy or live far away.
I also shop alone most of the time, but it's nice to have someone to talk to.
I agree. This is more fun than I expected.
Me too.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies. Why?
I just saw a big movie poster near the cinema. There's a new action movie out.
Oh, really? I haven't been to the cinema in months.
Same. Maybe after shopping?
After shopping, what?
Maybe we could watch a movie together. Only if you want to, no pressure.
Actually, that sounds nice. But let's finish our shopping first.
I just need 1 or 2 tops. I promise I won't take forever.
Take your time. I'll just follow and pretend I know fashion.
Great. I need your honest opinions.
How about this one? Too bright?
It's bright, but it looks cheerful. If you like cheerful, then yes.
I do like cheerful. Let me try it on.
Oh, that looks really good on you.
Really?
Yes, it fits you well and the color suits you.
Thank you. I'll buy it.
Okay, I'm done. That was fast, right?
Very fast. You're a professional shopper now.
After today, yes.
So, movie time?
Yes, but let's store these bags in the locker area first.
Good idea. My arms are about to fall off.
What's the movie about?
I think it's about a detective chasing a thief across different cities.
Sounds interesting.
Or confusing, but let's find out.
I haven't had popcorn in so long.
Same. I always eat too much.
Me too. It's impossible to stop.
This place is huge.
And the screen is giant. I like it. Wow, that was good.
Yeah, better than I expected.
The ending was surprising.
I didn't see that twist coming.
I had a really nice day.
Me too. Thank you for the company.
Thank you too. Shopping alone is fine, but shopping with a friend is better.
Friend. I like that word.
Well, David, maybe we can hang out again sometime. I'd like that. A lot. Great. Here's my number. I'll text you later, okay? Okay. Take care, Emma. You too, David. See you soon.